Hello, Sawadika. I'm Kumali, Roberta, and I'm Italian, living in Thailand from 10 years. I always loving to make tiramisu with my mom and my sisters. And last year I discovered that there is in Treviso the Tiramisu World Cup. The tiramisu is evolving recipes. Because in Italy we have the fridge from the 50, so it's possible to keep the mascarpone inside the fridge on every house. Before it was possible only to do it in the Milan area in the northern Italy, where is originated this cheese. And so we just have the recent recipe written from Loli, Linguanotto in Treviso in the 70s. So from that moment we have the original recipes of the tiramisu with only 6 ingredients. And today I will show you how easy it is to do it. We have 6 ingredients only. As you can see, we have mascarpone cheese, then we have eggs, fresh and organics. We will use only the egg yolk. Then we have the savoiardi, ladyfinger cookies, white sugar, coffee from mocha is the best, and then we have cocoa powder. The first thing to do is to make a very good coffee, because the coffee needs to rest and become cold. Ambient temperature is better if you put in the fridge. Otherwise it will happen that the cookies will like destroy it if you dip inside the coffee, the hot coffee. So let's make a coffee first and let's put in the fridge. Second things, we will start with the eggs, separate the yolk from the white, and then mix the yolk with the white sugar. We will create a fluffy cream with no sugar grains inside, and we know that at the moment we can add the mascarpone cheese to create the perfect tiramisu cream. After that, we will combine and assemble everything inside this box. It's transparent, so it will be beautiful to see the different layers inside. And then at the end, we will put on top the cocoa powder. Here we are. This is the final tiramisu ready to eat. Tiramisu in Italian language means pick me up. And this recipe, the original one, we will need you to help also your mood, to make you happier. Enjoy. Thank you. Sawadika.